Welcome to our room, guys. Take a look. Wow. The little welcome appetizers. Sofa here on the left. Take a look. Sofa and coffee table. Got ourselves a bottle of wine, champagne. What is this? Let's take a look. Champagne. Awesome. Welcome champagne. All right, take a look here. That's where we're gonna be sleeping. Awesome. Got ourselves a little desk here. Coffee maker. Wow. Woohoo! Yes. Awesome. Okay, let's go take a look at this bathroom of ours. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that, guys. Double sinks. Got a jet bathtub at the end here. Awesome. Shower, stand-up shower here. Not too bad. Look at that. Don't have to be all claustrophobic in here. Take a look at that. Awesome. And little privacy here. Toilet. Awesome, awesome. Okay, take a look. On the other side of the bathroom, we got some closet space in here. Take a look, guys. Some closet space. Got your safe down here. Couple drawers. Some more closet space on the opposite side. 2 sets. Nice, nice. Okay, and then let's go take a look at this balcony. Okay, let's see. Take a look, guys. Take a look here. Got our own little table out here. A couple loungers on our private balcony overlooking the pool. The rain is starting to fall. This is definitely a nice room, guys. We're here in one of the suites here on the Norwegian cruise line, Pride of America, for a 7-day Hawaiian cruise. Definitely happy with this.